Greg Taco Driver, and I'm here to tell you that you have to check out this new social network on TechForce. It's the first and only network just for future and working transportation techs. It's a free place for people like us to engage in competitions, games, awards, training events, and scholarships, and even more. If you're a student tech or current working tech, get part of this.
TechForce, the first and only social network for next-gen tech.
Welcome to TechForce, a platform dedicated to launching and advancing the careers of next-generation technicians. People like you, students, instructors, working techs, industry leaders, you. Showcase your school, job, and awards. Post your current project and follow your friends. Flex your talent. Follow industry trends and connect with future employers. Connect works on all devices. Compete with other users and climb the leaderboard in daily and special trivia. Scholarships. $1.5 million in scholarships awarded annually. Explore your passion, flex your talent, build your career. Join techforce.org.
What did I tell you guys? Pretty cool, huh? Be sure to go to techforce.org and turbocharge your career.